Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to lot 145 Mount Clair Heights, a stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence situated in the highly sought after Mount Clair Heights scheme in May Pen. This peaceful, crime-free, middle-income residential neighborhood is among the most desirable in May Pen thanks to its proximity to the town center. This recently renovated, detached home features a cozy living room, a spacious kitchen with tiled countertops, a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and a large closet. The house is fully grilled and the property is completely walled, offering both a drive-in and walk-in gate for added convenience and security. With schools, shopping centers, and reliable public transportation nearby. This location is perfect for families and professionals alike. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call now to schedule a viewing at your convenience. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 23 million or US $145,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.